Hello, this is Team 4 with 3 members Nguyễn Duy Hoàng Giang, Nguyễn Đình Nhắn is me, and Nguyễn Thanh Thiên. We work on a project of CSE 142, Professor Marketino. First, I will show you a video about our beginning.
CA project for the class CSA 142. Now, this will be about the Kalimai CTA plus. Now, we will start our project. First thing I need to explain. Now, the data that we will collect from the test file are the three files that is sensor out, temperature, and rainfall. The user must be able to choose multiple choice, as in they will input more than one numbers, and we will, as a program, we will check it all. Then we will display the data. Now, after that, the program should ask the user if they want to display more data. The answer should be yes or no. Finally, the program should ask if the user want to store the data. Do you understand?
Okay, that's clear.
Okay, let's start.
I will introduce to you the purpose of the program. First, the program must handle three different kinds of data if data is collected in a text file. Next, allows the user to choose the data which he/she wants to display on the screen. Next, we must display the data and then ask if the user wants to store the data in a file. Ask the user if he or she wants to display more data.
Hello, my name is Yang, and we answer the question how jQuery set work. First, I complete the function display. Next, Yang complete the three functions set to 0, initialize, continuing, and thinking complete function display. All of which we all complete the function main. I will introduce the global variable in our program. We use global variable for easier access from the function. As you can see, we use 13 global variables and 8 of which are constant. Notice that the arrays repository, city file name, data type file are meant to be used together. And now we move on the read file function. What's the purpose of the read file function? The purpose of this function are read file and input the data. First, we use a cross-string repository and city name file to open the text file city, like this. And next, we use for loop to input the data to the array city name. After that, use for loop to open the tree data that I need to read by using an array data type file. Input the data to the array database. But notice that the data were not in the correct order, so I use another array city name to compare the value of this function and this function, so that when city name in the two array are the same, only then can the program input the data to the array database. And that's all for the read file function.
My name is Nguyễn Đình Nhắn. I find this project is challenging. I complete three functions: set to 0, initialize, and continuing. Now I will begin with the set to 0 function. This function proposes to set all the data in the integer array to 0, and the function initialize is proposed to set all the data into Boolean array to fail. And I use the for loop for both the functions, and I think of the functions because when Thanh Thiên working on the display functions, we find that the data in the arrays were all a size, a random value. So to sort the data easier, I think of the function to set all the data to 0 and 4, so that when the data were input, it will change, and we will have two kind of data.
My name is Thiên. I work on the display function. In this function, I use the string stream and the Boolean arrays to determine the input of the users. My logic is that when first we get all the input data as a string, and then we input it one by one to a variable. While this action takes place, the data of the Boolean arrays corresponding which has the position number equals the variable value -1 will have to be turned to true. Then I use a for loop to check the Boolean arrays. If the data is true, the input of then I will input the position of the data +1 to a string stream and add a space between them, and then I assign it to an integer array. Next, I use tree for loop to work with the 3D arrays database, and I compute the sum to work out the average numbers. Now, after that, I use a onString stream to handle the output that I want to do. After I have put everything I want to the onString stream, I use a cout to display it. After that, I ask the user if they want to save their file to a then I test the answer. I use upstream to save the file.
Now I will move to the continuing functions. This function proposed into us and receive the question: do you want to continue? If the answer is yes, return 2. If the answer is no, return fail. On the main functions, we work together. Then we reel out basics outline consists on the functions. Then we complete it. Then we finish the project. Thank you so much.
Can I do it like this?
No, you must push it here and push it here. Now do it.
Okay. Yeah.